Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in this video, I'm going to be talking to you about 3DOS DePIN airdrop. It's an airdrop that is similar to Grass, NODEPAY, TENEO protocol, DOM validator, functor block mesh, etc. Okay, and this particular airdrop, I have already covered the PC version of it. So if you are using a laptop or a personal computer, I have already covered it, which you are already seeing on the screen. In addition to that, this particular video is strictly for mobile users. So if you're using a mobile phone, this video is for you. In addition to that, if you want to be able to get a first-hand tutorial on all the DePIN airdrops, you can head over to my playlist in the channel and you can be able to see them. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to be able to do is to click the link in the description that is already showing on the screen. It will take you to this website. Mind you, please, I am using a Mrs. browser, which is what you are already seeing it right here. I'm using a Mrs. browser for mining all my DePIN airdrops. Then once you can be able to click on the link that you're already seeing here, you want to come up and be able to input your login details. Okay, so firstly you need to input your login details, which are your email address as well as your password. Then you can also be able to input the referral link or the referral code, which is already here and on your screen at the moment. In addition to that, the second thing that you need to be able to do is to go through the Chrome extension browser. You can go through the Chrome extension browser and enable the 3DOS Chrome extension, okay, from your Mrs. browser. You must make sure that it is added, all right, to your Chrome extension right here. This is it. Then you must make sure that it is already added in your Chrome extension browser so you can be able to enable it and activate it. Then once you are able to sign up, that you have completed the sign up, you're going to receive a code on your account, that's on your email, telling you that you're already signed up. Then you can be able to verify your email account. Then that means that your account is active. Then once you are done with it, you need to be able to log in. As you're already seeing on the screen here, I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in right now so that you can be able to see it. Okay, currently I have already logged in into my account, as you're already seeing it here. So this is the prompt that it will show you. Then I will just close every single thing. Then I'll close this one. Then this is like the first thing that you need to be able to do. So I can claim my rewards and claim every reward that I have. Then this is like basically the things that you just need to be able to do. All right. So I've claimed my daily 3DOS rewards. Okay. So I've claimed it and I need to just proceed in the website right now. All right. So I've claimed it right now. So I'll just close on it. So this is my today's earning. This is what I have. Then this is your API code. This thing that you are seeing here is your API code. So in as much as you must have registered into the website, you need to also make sure that your Chrome extension is validated. All right. Your Chrome extension is validated. So this code that is right here on your screen, this is mine. Please use your own, the one that you are seeing on your own screen. This is mine. Don't use mine, please. Then use your own. All right. So you need to be able to copy this code right here. Copy this code right here. Then you can be able to open a new browser. Okay, open a new browser. Then click on the extension bar on top. Right. So you can click on the extension bar on top. If you don't know where I just clicked, this is right here on my Mrs. browser. This is right here. This extension bar on top. You don't use Chrome, you use Mrs. browser. All right. Then you can click on it. Then you are going to see your 3DOS extension. This is mine as well as other DePIN airdrops that you are seeing. So this is it here. So I'll just click on it. Then you need to just come here and paste the link right here. Okay. So you just need to paste the link right here. And once you paste it, it will activate on its own. My own is already activated. That is why it is not showing me for me to be able to paste it. But I can just edit it and paste it there again and it will still go. All right. So if I just, maybe I'll delete it right now and paste it again and I'll apply, it will still continue like that. So nothing too serious with it. All right. So it is already connected. So nothing too fancy. So that is how I've now activated my Chrome extension, and it's already working for me. Then the next thing that I need to be able to do is to go back to the website, which is already farming. As you can see right here, I'm already farming it. Then my main objective is to go down and complete all the tasks that is already written here. So this one is timed. I need to be able to join their X account, that's their Twitter. Okay. I need to be able to join their Discord. I also need to be able to join their Telegram. And this one is already timed. That's their activities that you need to be able to do. So this is the leaderboard. Then you can be, once you are done with that, you may need to be able to come here. Okay. So this particular place next to the hamburger menu right here, this place next to the dashboard icon that you are seeing. All right. So you just need to click on it first, then it will redirect you to several other activities. So all you just need to be able to do is to go through some of them. That's the referral program, is where you send your referral links, as well as the earn more points section. Okay, so I just click on it. It's a new thing. Then you can be able to see what is expected. So you just need to follow their founder. You have 17 days left. Then join their Twitter account, join their Discord, join their Telegram channel, as well as earn more points by following their community. Okay, so this is like for you to be able to earn extra points by doing these activities. They are nothing too serious. Then you can be able to be coming in daily and be claiming. All right, so that is almost the things that you just need to be able to do for the airdrop to be able to be getting your DePIN. And you can be mining with your phone. If you don't have a laptop, you can be mining with your phone every single time, so that just turn on your data or your internet connectivity and it will just be mining for you. So that's basically every single thing related to the 3D OS DePIN airdrop. Okay, so if you want more DePIN airdrops, I have already done them on a playlist in my channel, which you're already seeing. Then you can be able to start mining from there. So that's basically every single thing. My name is Odis Profits. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification, as well as join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.